Hey guys, how's it going? It's T-Ash and Gaming, and we're back with another Clash of Clans video. Why am I doing? Okay, I don't know. Now in today's video, I know it's been a while since I did my last video. Actually, my last video was the base build that I did. Um, I hope y'all really enjoyed that video. I actually worked really hard on it. I lost my train of thought. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. There's gonna be news coming on later in the video. Stay tuned for that. As of right now, we are on, as you can tell, we are not on our main account. We are on one of our minis, TH19, and we are going to be doing both of our war attacks. Now, they got us actually our mini accounts, like the lower accounts in the clan, to kind of give them a shot at, whatever. So I have this account, and I have this account. I kind of want to do this account, but I had to do like a live, like scattered on this phone and all that. But I don't know, my tablet is laggy as all hell. I don't know why. I don't know, we might give it a shot. See how it goes. And we'll just like watch it from the screen. But yeah. We are going to look at this. I'm number 7 in this. But like look at number 3. Like, look at this. I could take this down like nothing. Maybe. Possibly. Maybe. I don't know, I suck. The only thing I'm really worried about is this clan castle on the outside. That's what I do not like. So we might actually come from this side, maybe. Actually, I don't know. This one I can take down like easily. Like, oh my god, I can take this. Look at this. I could go by air and take this bitch out. I don't know what he's got though. I'm guessing he's got a dragon. What do I actually got for air? Do I even got anything for air? I could actually drag it or loot it. I actually do have an army for that too. Huh. I did not think I did. Alrighty. We're actually gonna do that actually. We're gonna. I am actually work. Oh, crap. Okay. Alright, so I have 500 gems. I can jump that. So we're gonna boost our army. We're gonna boost our heroes. Give us a slight edge. Wait, what's this? Can I actually do the same thing here? And not really. Nah, whatever. Alright, so we're gonna do. Yeah, screw you. I don't know. I don't want to mess this up though. Like, we got quite a bit hard attackers that would take down. Like, look at all these. I might go with 5 to be honest. I don't want to get too cocky here. I don't know. I mean, I technically could do it. I boosted everything and all that too. Alright, screw it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We can just have cleanup people to clean up my mess if it all goes south. But let's go in. Okay. Okay. This is bad. Jump in there. Oh, come on. Alright, that's good. Do I heal? Oh, it's an E-Drag. Beautiful. That's fucking awesome. Alright. Alright. I mean, it's going decently well, yes. I'm actually gonna put a freeze on that just so the wizards can take it out. And I think I'm actually gonna 3-star this. Let's go, boys. And you guys were worried for nothing. This E-Drag is actually still up. Son of a bitch and stuff. Listen, I actually thought that he was gonna survive this whole raid. Alright. Alright, that was actually easier than I thought. I'm actually better than I thought I was. Holy crap, who knew? Let's just rage her up. I lost my king, so that kind of sucks. But oh well. Alright, so... What are my loons at for this? 6, 7, 8. Like 8's max for loons, I think, right? I think, maybe. I don't know. I could be wrong. Loons. Haste. Alright, going back to that. Yeah, nope, loon. My haste is absolute shite. Alright, whatever. We're gonna do this. Do this. Alright. Am I getting cocky here? I believe I actually. I'm feeling I am. Let's actually remove that before we go in. Alright. You can use heroes to take up this side, and then come in. Send loons in that side, and then basically come in from this side. No, because then there's that sweeper right there. Hold up, what am I doing? I'll be taking the. Okay, alright. I got this. Maybe. Wait, where's the CC? I need to make sure to take out this clan castle too. That's the thing. Oh no. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. You gotta go the wrong way, aren't you? Yes, you are. Boom. Okay, do that. Alright, perfect. Ooh, it's a dragon. Alright, this could be bad, actually. Damn! No way. Alright. It's okay. Hey, there we go. We got it. Oh, this is actually bad. Oh shit, dude. That's maybe actually be good. Alright, no, this actually went well. This actually went better than I thought. Alright. Alright, this actually went good. I thought that I completely forgot about the queen. I thought the queen was gonna screw us. Oh, I thought the queen was actually gonna mess us up. I completely forgot about the queen. Oh, I was just focused on the air defenses, which wasn't really the main problem because they're all level 1. Oh well, we still got it though. Lucky, but we got it. I don't even know how the queen actually went down, to be honest. Oh, she went down. That's all that matters. And then we got a 2-star. Look at that. Ooh, I'm actually. I have 2 people watching me right now. Alright. I actually don't know who's on. Hold up. Nobody from mine, so I might only have to be able to do 1 attack. Alright, actually, let's not get into that. That actually went really well. Alright, I'm actually going to try it on my tablet here. So we're going to probably actually go in. You're gonna probably see a fucking huge fail attack here, but I don't know. I'm waiting for one first. Unfortunately, you guys are only going to see one attack because I don't have an account that can actually donate too much troops here. But shite. See, one, I'm always thinking of a 2-star, honestly. That's really all I'm assuming on this. Cause yeah, he's got decent level heroes. So I'm thinking maybe go for 1, but that could go still 2. You know what, we're gonna go for 2. But what am I doing? This threw me right off. Alright, so we're going to... I'm about to go full screen because I won't be able to control both screens here. Do I have actually a hero boost for this one? I hope I do. Actually, I don't really want to. I don't even have a hero boost. Alright, let's go in. I will not be able to control the screen from this one though. So, let's go. Let's just go. Let's just go in. This is gonna be weird doing it on my tablet though, but especially my hands this way, my tab doesn't really react to that. Yeah, see, it's already messing up. Alright. Oh. Sorry, I forgot to watch Wildlife. I've already activated the CC, that's beautiful. Alright, and there's a fucking thing on me. Beautiful. Alright. Alright. Well, I took that at least. Oh. That actually went well. Okay. Alright. Alright. Boom boom. We're raging up the core here. Yeah, it's running so much smoother on my phone. I'm literally watching on my phone. Come on, take down that multi. Take down that multi. Ah, you fuckholes. Alright, that's too bad. That multi's gonna give me trouble. Boom. It's only one shot though. Queen, I'm about to use her soon. Like basically right now. Just so you can survive a little bit longer. Alright, come on guys. Oh, she hit double bomb. I have heals on her, but come on, take down at least that. Oh, she's gonna go down like soon. Yeah. Alright, we got this anyways. I'm actually gonna fall on the screen now. Oh, look at that. There we go. I literally just saw on the screen. I looked at my phone and noticed that I had the 2 archers. By the way, I'm not sure if you can actually hear this, but I'm heavy breathing like crazy. Oh, fuck. Alright. That actually went well. I'm actually gonna see. I might be able to actually do the 2 attacks here. Oh, I can. Oh, look at that, boys. We got this. You can't see it on the screen, but yeah, I got done it. Shit. Alright. Alright. This ain't what I want. Yes, this ain't not this ain't the kind of want. Alright, so I got done it. So I'm actually gonna do this attack now. Okay. So you guys are gonna see 4 attacks in this fucking video, and I was only like expecting like 2. So y'all getting a treat. And then also I got a I didn't tell you at the end of the video. Which, by the way, I need to stop saying these are gonna be short videos because they never are. But hey, alright, so we're gonna go into this. Actually, why am I doing that? Alright, this one won't be a 3-star. I can guarantee that right now. Alright, dun, 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 dun. Alright, we're gonna do that before I'm gonna attack from this side right here. Alright, actually. So to kind of get my funnel going right. Do that. Do that. Raise that. Get that. Proves that's actually where I want that zap to go. That went actually perfect. However, this could go wrong. We're gonna do that. Oh, you're gonna be a bitch, aren't you? Ooh, this could help. Oh, that's. She went right into the rage and back in. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Okay, this funnel's actually going really well. Like, I'm actually funneling this a lot smoother than I thought I would. Let's start getting into this base. Alright. Actually, I should never actually start this. Okay. Let's place a jump into there. I'm still not seeing a 3-star though. Ooh, and there's my EJ just went down. I lost the whole side. Ugh. I mean, this is still going better than I thought, to be honest. Kind of, not really, I guess. I need this queen to actually hit the jump before it fucking goes away. Because I don't have a max jump, it will not last long. Alright, perfect. Boom. Come on, hit that. Oh yeah, I lost all my fucking sides. Alright. Ow. Come on, come on. These healers aren't going on this queen at all, so it's fucking me right up. Oh, alright. Go right there. Oh, damn. She wasn't in range. Oh, I really had nowhere else for her. Alright, maybe we can get this last percentage here. This went better than I thought. I thought it could have been a 3-star, honestly. Okay, I had the funnel beautifully done. Ooh, I'm not gonna get that. Oh, that sucks. I didn't get it. Alright, you know, I'll take that. I will actually take that. Not bad, not bad. So 3 stars and an 83. That's actually not bad. Alright, so now that we got all that situated, I will be doing another base build video. Yeah, I will be doing another base build video. For Town Hall 13, it will be a Legend League base. The base that I'm currently using that I actually made is actually doing really well. It gets 3-starred maybe like once every 2-3 days, and then usually it's like fucking 5 1-star attacks out of the 8, 4 or 5 1-star attacks. So for a base that I built, it's doing pretty well. So I'm not sure when. Sometime next week, or this week? No, next week. I don't know, between Monday and Saturday. Sorry, Monday and Sunday. I'm not sure when. I have work basically all week. But for sure, for sure by the end of next Sunday, it will be up. I'm going to try and see if I can at least start it on Tuesday. I'll have lots of replays to show you. And maybe I'll do another, I don't know. I might do another video sometime. Wait, what's today, Saturday? No, I won't be able to do one. Yeah, I'll have lots of replays. Because, well, it's allegedly she got like 8 attacks to choose from. So, I'll show you the 3-star attacks if I get one. Because I think it only shows like 2 days, like the current day and the previous day. I think that's all it shows. So there's a 3-star attack in there. I'll show you that as well, just to kind of give you an idea of what actually takes it out, and see if you can try. Fuck me. And see you guys can try to make adjustments if need it. I don't know. Like I said, I'll have it uploaded sometime by the end of next week. Should be, hopefully. But yeah. Oh shit. And freeze, I can't talk and type at the same time apparently. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that domination performance that I did. That I actually did really well, especially with my Town Hall 12. That was actually pretty good. Just saying. I know you're probably saying one of them was a Town Hall 11. Yeah, well, still. Did you not see my troops? They weren't exactly the best. Here, I'll show you. This is the account that I attacked with. As you can see, hero's not the greatest, like Town Hall 10 level. Minus, like literally that's a Town Hall 10 level. I kind of rush this count, see? Not exactly the greatest, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, leave a like. Comment down below whatever you guys want. Comment down below you saying that you suck, I don't care. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and you dizzy yet? No, okay. Yeah, peace.